Hello friends, welcome to Agri Exam. Agri Exam has come up with a series of one-liner questions of agronomical crops, and in this video we will discuss 100 plus questions regarding rice crop, which will be very useful for all the agri competitive exams. So here we will start. Question number first, what is the botanical name of paddy? And the answer is Oryza sativa. It is the botanical name of paddy, and this question was asked in the previous year IBPS AFO exam. Question number second, the family of rice. The family of rice, it is Gramineaceae, which is also called as Poaceae. Question number third, what is the origin of paddy? The origin of paddy, it is Indo-Myanmar region, or you can say Southeast Asia. It is the origin place of paddy. Fourth question, what is the seed of paddy? The seed of paddy, it is called as Caryopsis. Question number fifth, what is the inflorescence of paddy called? The inflorescence of paddy, it is called as panicle. Question number sixth, what is the chromosome number in paddy? The chromosome number in case of Oryza sativa, it is 2n is equal to 24. Seventh question, what is the test weight of rice? The test weight of rice, it is 25 gram. Test weight means the weight of 1000 seeds of a crop. Eighth question, what is the test weight of basmati rice? And the answer is 21 gram. Ninth question, what percentage of protein is in white rice? And the answer is 6 to 7% of protein it is present in white rice. 10th question, what percentage of protein is in unmilled, that is brown rice? And the answer is 7.9% of protein it is present in unmilled rice. Next question, question number 11th, what percentage of fat is in rice? And the answer is 2 to 2.5% of fat is in rice, which may also get lost during milling process. Question number 12, what is the percentage of carbohydrate in rice? And the answer is 77 to 79% of carbohydrate is present in rice. 13th question, which state is the largest producer of paddy? And the answer is West Bengal. It is the largest producer of paddy, followed by Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Question number 14, which state is most productive of paddy? And the answer is Punjab, which produces about 34 quintals per hectare. Question number 15, what is the first mutant variety of paddy? And the answer is Jagannath. It was the first mutant variety of T141. Question number 16, what is the responsible gene for dwarfness in paddy? And the answer is DGO gene. It is the gene which is responsible for dwarfness in paddy. Question number 17, which is the only paddy's hybrid variety which was developed by private institute? And the answer is PHB 71. It is the paddy's hybrid variety which was developed by private institute. Next question, question number 18, golden rice is rich in? And the answer is beta carotene. Golden rice, it was originally created by Dr. Ingo Portuguese and his team in Switzerland, and this genetically modified rice, it is capable of producing the beta carotene in the endosperm, which is a precursor of vitamin A production, and in addition golden rice has increased iron content. Question number 19, what are the characteristics of golden rice which was developed by IARI Institute? And the answer is excess of vitamin A. Question number 20, what is the protein of paddy called? The protein of paddy, it is called as oryzine. Question number 21, where was the method of preparing the nursery of paddy introduced? And the answer is International Rice Research Institute, which is in Philippines. Question number 22, how many days are prepared? How many days are required in the Dapog method to transfer the plant from the nursery to the field? And the answer is 11 to 14 days. So this Dapog method, it is prevalent in Philippines and Japan, and in this method the seedling they become ready for transplanting on the 12th day. Question number 23rd. Sowing time of Os paddy, sowing time of Aman paddy and sowing time of Boro paddy we will see. Sowing time of Os paddy, it is April to May, of Aman it is June to July, and of Boro it is November to December. Approximately we are having three types of season for the rice cultivation in India. First one, it is the Os, that is autumn. This word Os, it is derived from the Sanskrit word that is Ashu, which means quick or early, and the rice varieties which are grown during pre-monsoon period, they are called as the Os rice, and they are harvesting in August to September, and hence they are called as autumn rice due to their harvest time. Next, that is Aman, Kharif or winter. Aman, it is derived from the Arabic word which means safety and which indicates the stability of crop. Aman rice, it is also called as winter rice due to the harvesting time in winter. Third, that is the Boro. Boro refers to the rice which is grown in submerged land which is lower in elevation, and it is grown during November to December, and they are harvested in the summer season. Question number 26. Lodging doesn't occur in, and the answer is Japonica rice. Question number 27. How much seed rate is kept in the broadcasting method of paddy? And the answer is 100 kg per hectare. It is the seed rate in case of broadcasting method. Question number 28. How much seed rate is kept in paddy's drilling method? And the answer is 60 kg per hectare. It is the seed rate which is kept for drilling method of paddy. Question number 29. How much hybrid paddy seed rate is kept? And the answer is 15 kg per hectare in case of hybrid paddy. 30th question. How much is the paddy seed rate kept in the Dapog method? And the answer is 1.5 to 3 kg per meter square. It is the seed rate in case of Dapog method. Question number 31st. How much paddy seed rate is kept in SRI method, that is the system of rice intensification? And the answer is 5 to 8 kg per hectare. Question number 32. The Jaya variety of paddy, it was introduced by whom? And the answer is Dr. Shastri introduced it in the year 1968. Jaya, it is a cross between TN1 from Taiwan into T141, which is an Indian variety, and it is evolved by Dr. Shastri. Question number 33. Which variety of paddy can be grown in Rabi and Kharif season? And the answer is Rajeshwari and Hema. This both variety of paddy can be grown in both Rabi and Kharif season. Question number 34. Which herbicide is most commonly used in paddy field? And the answer is propanil. Propanil, it is the herbicide which is most commonly used in the paddy field, and propanil, it is the post emergence herbicide in rice. Question number 35. Hull is a combination of, and the answer is lemma plus palea together, it is called as hull. Question number 36. Rice is a type of plant, and the answer is self-pollinated and short day plant. Rice is a self-pollinated and short day plant. Question number 37. What is the full form of SRI? And the answer is System of Rice Intensification. It is the full form of SRI. Question number 38. Who developed SRI method of rice cultivation in 1983 at Madagascar? And the answer is Father Henry. He discovered or he developed the SRI method of rice cultivation. 39th question. Nursery area which is required in rice for transplanting in 1 hectare, and the answer is 1000 meters square. It is the area which is required for transplanting. Question number 40. Nursery area which is required in rice for transplanting in 1 hectare in the Depog method, and the answer is 25 to 30 meters square of area it is required for transplanting in 1 hectare in Depog method. Question number 41. Hydrothermal treatment of rice grain before milling it is called as, and the answer is paraboling. Paraboling it is a hydrothermal process in which the crystalline form of starch it is changed into an amorphous form on account of an irreversible swelling and fusion of starch. Question number 42. Paraboling of rice conserves which vitamin, and the answer is vitamin B12 it is conserved in paraboling of rice. Question number 43. Main objective of puddling in rice cultivation, and the answer is control widths, reduce water losses and increases the nutrient availability. Puddling it is nothing but the process of destruction of soil aggregates by the mechanical force in soil with excessive moisture contained, and it is done by an equipment which is called as puddler, and the main objective it is to reduce the percolation losses, to reduce weed infestation and to increase the nutrient availability. Question number 44. Main objective of bushing in rice cultivation, and the answer is control widths, increase soil aeration and optimize the crop standing. So this bushing they involves the cross plowing the young crop 4 to 6 weeks after sowing with a light country plow in 5 to 6 cm of standing water once or twice, and the purpose or the objective we have seen that control widths, increase soil aeration and optimize the crop standing. Question number 45. The gas which is emitted from the rice field, and the answer is methane, that is CH4 it is the gas which is emitted from the rice field. Question number 46. Highest nitrogen losses in rice it is caused by, and the answer is denitrification. Due to this denitrification highest nitrogen losses takes place in rice field. Question number 47. Anaerobic environment in rice. The soil is responsible for gaseous losses of fertilizer nitrogen by, the answer is denitrification. Question number 48. Which nitrogen fertilizer is suitable for rice cultivation, and the answer is ammonium sulfate. It is the best nitrogen fertilizer which is suitable for the rice cultivation. Question number 49. The suitable biofertilizer for rice field, and the answer is azolla. It is the best suited biofertilizer for rice field. Question number 50. First hybrid variety of rice which was developed by using the CMS, that is cytoplasmic male sterility, and the answer it was first developed in China in the year 1970. Question number 51. The rice variety called miracle rice in the world, it is, the answer is IR8. It is the variety of rice which is called as miracle rice in the world. Question number 52. Which rice variety it is known as miracle rice in India, and the answer is Jaya. The Jaya it was evolved by Dr. Shastri, and it was the first rice variety which was developed under India's first rice program, and it outyielded TN1, hence it is called as the miracle rice in India. Question number 53. The most critical stage for water in rice cultivation, the answer is booting stage. It is the most critical stage for water in rice cultivation. Question number 55. The solar radiation which is required for better yield of rice, and the answer is 500 to 700 calories per centimeter square per day. It is the solar radiation which is required for better yield of rice. Question number 56. The rice crop required how much rainfall for better yield, and the answer is 100 to 150 centimeter of water of rainfall it is required for better yield of rice. Question number 57. Root system of rice is, and the answer is fibrous root system. Rice contains fibrous root system. Question number 58. Indica rice, it is grown in, and the answer is India. Question number 59. Japonica rice, it is grown in, and the answer is Japan. Question number 60. Javanica wild species grown in, and the answer is Indonesia. The genus Oryza, they have 24 species, out of which 2 are cultivated, that is Oryza sativa and Oryza glaberrima. So Oryza sativa, which is a diploid, the chromosome number is 21 is equal to 24, and this Oryza sativa has 3 main geographic races, that is Indica rice, Japonica rice and Javanica rice. Indica rice, it is a tropical rice which is grown in India, and it is late in maturity and has long stem. Japonica, it is a temperate or subtropical which is grown in Japan, early in maturity. Photosynthetically, it is very active, possesses short stem, and it is very responsive to nitrogenous fertilizer, and no lodging takes place in Japonica races. Now we will see Javanica, which is also known as Bhalu rice. It is a wild form of rice which is grown in Indonesia, and it has many awns. Question number 61. Which rice variety it is suitable for waterlogged condition? And the answer is Jalmagna. It is a variety which is suitable for waterlogged condition. 62. Salinity tolerant variety of rice is, and the answer is Lunishri and IR8. This both variety, they are tolerant to salinity. Question number 63. Which variety of rice is best for direct sowing? And the answer is Bhala and Kaveri. It is the variety of rice which is suited for direct sowing. Question number 64. The fertilizer which is required for rice field. The recommended doses they are asking of NPK and zinc Z, that is 120:60:40:25. 65th question. Akiochi disease of rice, it is due to. The answer is H2O, H2S toxicity. Because of H2S toxicity, the Akiochi disease takes place in rice. Question number 66. Pyra and Uthera cropping system, it is closely related to, and the answer is rice. This system, it is closely related to rice crop. Question number 67. Which are the killer disease of rice? And the answer is bacterial blight and tumoro virus. These both disease are the killer disease of rice. Question number 68. Kyra disease of rice is due to the deficiency of. The answer is zinc, and this was first reported by Dr. Y.I. Nene in the year 1966 in Pantanagar. Question number 69. White eye of rice is due to the deficiency of. It is due to the deficiency of iron. 71. Lunishri. 70 question. Lunishri, it is a variety of, and the answer is super rice. Next question. The crop which prefers ammonical form of nitrogen, and the answer is rice. That's why it is known as ammonical crop, because they prefer ammonical form of nitrogen. Question number 73rd. Widely used nitrogenous fertilizer in rice, and the answer is ammonium sulfate. And this ammonium sulfate, it is the best fertilizer for top dressing too in case of rice. Question number 74. The nitrogen fixing bacterium which is found on the root surface of rice, and the answer is Azospirillum. It is the nitrogen fixing bacterium which is found on the root surface of rice. Question number 75. Oldest nitrogen fertilizer which is best for top dressing in rice? And the answer is ammonium sulfate, which consists 20.6% of nitrogen and 24.2% of sulfur. 76th question. The best fertilizer for top dressing in rice? And the answer is ammonium sulfate. Question number 77. The gas which is emitted from rice field? Answer is methane, CH4. 78. In rice, Depok seedlings are ready for transplanting. The answer is 11 to 14 days after sowing they become ready for transplanting purpose. 79 question. Under SRI method, rice plant is transplanted at? And the answer is 10 to 12 days after sowing. 80th question. Seedling which is ready for transplanting in Depok method, it is mostly on the 12th day. 81. Normally rice plant is transplanted at? And the answer is after 21 to 25 days after sowing this rice plant is transplanted. 82. Nitrogen use efficiency in rice, it is around 30 to 40%. Means the nitrogen use efficiency in case of rice, it is 30 to 40%. 83rd question. Polish percentage of rice? And the answer is 2%. 84. Hulling percent in rice? The answer is 70 to 74%. 85th question. How much percentage of rice it is grown out of Asia? And the answer is only 10% of rice it is grown out of Asia. Question number 86. The nursery area which is required for providing seedling for transplanting 1 hectare rice field? And the answer is 100 meters square. 87. Isolation distance for self-pollinated crop, that is it may be rice or wheat. The answer is 3 meter. 88. In lowland rice, fertilizer is applied in? The answer is reduced zone only. In rice field, to prevent the denitrification and leaching losses, the nitrogen fertilizer it should be incorporated in the reduced zone only, so that the process of nitrification it is delayed. Next, 89 question. Cardinal temperature for good rice crop growth is? The answer is 30 to 32 degrees Celsius. It is the temperature, it is the optimum temperature which is required for the rice crop for its good growth. Question number 90. The best pH for cultivation of rice is? The answer is 4 to 6. In the range of 4 to 6 pH, the cultivation of rice is best. Question number 91. Puddler and puddling is related to? And the answer is rice. We all know that puddling is done with the help of puddler, and these both terms they are related to rice. 92. Acid tolerant crop? And the answer is rice. Rice, it is the acid tolerant crop. 93rd question. Most prominent cropping pattern of rice in India? The answer is rice and wheat. 94th question. Depok method is most commonly prevalent in? The answer is Philippines. 95th. The tillage implements which is most suitable for rice cultivation? And the answer is power tiller. With this implement, the cultivation of or the sowing of rice takes place. 96th. The best system of rice culture? The answer is transplanting. 97th. The normal ratio of rice is 2/3. Chasmogamy it was found in? The answer is it is found in rice, mung and oat. 99th. The nursery area which is required for seedling of rice for 1 hectare field is? The answer is 0.10 hectare. 100th question. C3 pathway it is found in? The answer is rice, wheat, pea and soybean. It is all this crop shows C3 pathway. Next question. nitrogen fixation in rice field, it is carried out by which blue-green algae? And the answer is Azolla. Azolla. Next, the cultivated species of paddy. Answer is Oryza sativa and Oryza glaberrima. It is these two species, they are the cultivated species. The genus Oryza, they has about 24 species, out of only these two are cultivated. Next, 103 question. Sowing of paddy in April, May and harvesting in August, September, it is called as? The answer is Aus or autumn or pre-kharif paddy. 104th. Sowing of paddy in June, July and harvesting in October, it is called as? The answer is Aman or Kharif we can say. Next, sowing of paddy in January to February and harvesting in April to May, it is called as? The answer is Boro or summer or spring rice we can say. Next, tip burn in rice, it is due to the deficiency of oxygen and excess of zinc. At that condition, the tip burn takes place in rice. Next, SRI denotes? The answer is system of rice intensification. Next, for correction of iron chlorosis in rice, which spray is recommended? 1% of solution of ferrous sulfate is recommended to correct the iron chlorosis in rice. Next, the most important critical stage of rice for irrigation. The critical stage is from tillering to flowering stage. These are the critical stage for irrigation. 110th. Aroma in rice is due to the presence of? The answer is diacetyl 1-propanol. Because of this chemical, the aroma in rice comes. Weed which is caused relatively more low in rice productivity when it is direct seeded, means weed they cause much loss in the rice field when the rice they are direct seeded. Mimicry weed of rice is? And the answer is wild rice. It is the mimicry weed of rice. 113 question. What is the critical period of crop weed competition for upland rice cultivation? And the answer is entire period of crop growth. It will be the critical period for crop weed competition in case of upland rice condition. 114. Most dominant weed species in rice field? And the answer is Echinocoli species. It is the most dominant weed species in rice field. 115 question. What is the critical period of crop weed competition for transplanted rice? And the answer is after 30 to 45 days after sowing. It is the critical period for crop weed competition for transplanted rice. Next, question number 16th. Common herbicides which is used in rice crop field? And the answer is Anilophos and Butachlor. These are the herbicides which are mostly used in rice crop. Next, 117 question. In waterlogged rice field, the atmospheric nitrogen can be fixed to the soil by? And the answer is BGA, that is blue-green algae, can fix the nitrogen in soil. 118 question. The most prominent and adopted cropping pattern in India is of rice and wheat. 119 question. Irrigation method which is suitable for lowland rice and jute? And the answer is flooding. 120 question. The blast resistance varieties of rice is? And the answer is Tulsi and IR64. These both varieties are resistant to blast. 121. The deep water rice are? The answer is Pankaj and Jagannath. They are the deep water rice. Next, the rice varieties which are suitable for saline alkaline soil are? The answer is CSR10, CSR13, CSR27. These are the rice variety which are suitable for saline alkali soils. Next, the rice variety which has no seed dormancy, and the answer is IR50. It has no seed dormancy. The hybrid variety of rice is developed by using, means how the hybrid rice is developed by using which lines, and the answer is genetically GMS and CGMS lines. 125. First intervarietal cross variety of rice, that is Jaya, which is also known as miracle rice, and it was evolved by Dr. Shastri. It is the cross between TN1 and T141. 126th question. The gall milch resistance varieties of rice is, the answer is Falguna, Surekha and Suraksha. These are the varieties which are resistant to milch. 127th question. The first rice variety which was introduced in India, the answer is IR8 in the year 1966. First developed rice variety, it is TN1. 129 question. The world's first high yielding variety of rice has been developed by IARI, means which variety was developed, the answer is Pusa Basmati. 130th question. The oil contained in parboiled rice bran, the answer is 20 to 28% of oil is present. Oil contained in raw rice bran, 12 to 18%. Oil contained in de-oiled rice bran, 1 to 3%. And 133 question. The bulk density due to puddling, it increases. The bulk density increases after puddling. 134th question. How much increase bulk density due to puddling? The answer is 1.4 to 1.7 gram per cc. Bulk density increases after puddling. 135. How much percentage of silica content is present in rice husk? The answer is 15 to 18% of silica is present. 136th question. Harvesting index of rice, the answer is 0.40 is the harvest index of rice. 137. How much water depth should be present at the time of puddling? The answer is 2.5 centimeter. 138 question. Optimum age for transplanting, means it is in the term of leaf stage, it is 4th leaf stage. 139 question. How much nitrogen is requirement is reduced by use of biological nitrogen? The answer is 25 to 30% of nitrogen. 140 question. How many days short duration variety, means up to 120 days. How many days of medium duration varieties? It is 120 to 150 days. And how many days are there for long duration varieties? It is more than 150 days. Govind Bhong Tulai Panji variety, it is mainly grown in, and the answer is West Bengal. And this Govind Bhong variety has also got the GI tag. 144. Joha rice is the largest cultivator in, and the answer is Assam. 145. How many days after sowing rice is transplanted in a dryland area? The answer is after 30 to 35 days after sowing. 146. How many days after sowing rice is transplanted in Kharif season? The answer is 21 to 25 days after transplanting. The average temperature which is required for rice, it is 21 to 37 degrees Celsius. The temperature for blooming stage, it is 26.5 to 29.5 degrees Celsius. 149 question. Temperature which is required for ripening stage, the answer is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Temperature it is required for ripening stage. Question number 150. The basmati rice has a flavor caused by which aroma compound? And the answer is 2-acetyl-1-pyrroline. 151. Basmati rice grain contains of aromatic chemical, means how much content they are having? The answer is 0.09 ppm. Basmati rice has aromatic compound, means how much percentage of aromatic compound the basmati rice has? It is 10 to 12 times more. Rice protein is rich in lysine. The rice protein, it is ornithine and it is rich in lysine. How much water is consumed to produce 1 kg of rice? Approximately 500 liters of water are required to produce 1 kg of rice grain. Now here we will discuss about the diseases and the pathogen through which the disease takes place. Question number first disease, it is blast, which is also known as rotten neck, and it is caused by the pathogen that is Pyricularia oryzae. Next, bacterial leaf blight, that is BLB. It is caused by Xanthomonas comprestris. This is the pathogen. Next it is brown leaf spot. It is called as Helminthiosporium oryzae. Because of this pathogen, the brown leaf spots disease takes place in rice. Chyra disease, we know that it takes place due to deficiency of zinc. Bacchane disease, that is a foot rot disease, it is caused by Gibberella fujikiroi. Pum sook, it is caused due to, it is a dry physiological disease in case of rice. Shit blight, it is due to Rhizoctonia solani. This is the pathogen through which the silt blight takes place. Tungro disease, because of rice tungro virus. Grassy stunt, it is a viral disease which is caused by brown plant hopper. And Udamata disease, it is due to the fungus, it is Felis oryzae. Because of this fungi, the Udamata disease of rice takes place. Ufro disease, it is due to the nematode, that is Diclenchus angutus. Mantec disease, it is due to the rice root nematode. Stem rot, it is due to the Sclerotonium oryzae. Shit rot, it is due to the Sarocladium oryzae. Falls or green smut, it is due to the Ustilagonia virens. Slackborn disease, it is due to the Trichoconis padwicki. Kernel blunt or kernel smut, black smut, it is due to the Titiliaceae barlackiana. And yellow dwarf, it is due to the mycoplasma like organism, that is the MLO. Now here we will see the insects and the botanical name of that insects. First one, yellow stem borer. The botanical name or the scientific name of yellow stem borer, it is Circophaga incertulus. Of rice gall milch, it is oryzae. Of green leaf hopper, it is Nepothetrix nigropictus. Of white backed plant hopper, it is Sogatella furcifera. Brown plant hopper, it is Nilparvata lugens. Rice case worm, it is Nymphula dipunctalis. Rice hispa, botanical name is Diclodisma armigera. Rice thrips, it is Stenocothrips biformis. Rice grasshopper, it is Banins. And rice leaf hopper, it is Clanaparochloris medinalis. This is the botanical name. We have discussed 10 insects along with their botanical name. Now here we will see the institutes which are associated with rice crop. National Rice Research Institute, that is NRRI. It is situated in Cuttack and it was established in the year 1946. And this NRRI, it is now known as Central Rice Research Institute. Next one, Indian Institute of Rice Research, it is situated in Hyderabad. IRRI, South Asia Regional Center, it is located in Varanasi. And International Rice Research Institute, it is located in Philippines and it was established in the year 1960. Now here we will see the concepts, the terms which are related to the rice crop. Golden rice. The father of golden rice, it is Dr. Ingo Portucus. The father of hybrid rice, it is Yong Long Ping. The father of super rice, it is Dr. G. H. Kush, and the Depok seedling, this term it is associated with the rice. So in this video we have discussed more than 100 questions regarding rice, the various institutes which are associated with the rice, the fathers of different fields of rice. We have seen the insects and the botanical name of that. And this was all about today's videos. For more such videos, in next video we will deal with the wheat crop. So stay connected with Agri Exam.